These numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? CL plus lean, clean. S plus weep, sweep, clean sweep. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, and welcome to our show. We have two returning players today. This man won the game on Friday, had one go at winning a brand new car also. Didn't quite make it, though. His name is Keith Craiglow, and we're delighted to have you back with us.
Great to be back.
And again, I want to compliment you on that great showing in the bonus round, because for a first-time player up there with just 35 seconds, you were one match away from winning a brand new car.
Next time I do it.
Okay, good luck to you today against a lady who is no stranger to competition, Kim Gallagher. Welcome back to you, Kim. Tell the folks how well you've done in track and field, winning a bronze medal.
A bronze medal in the last Olympics, 1988, 800 meters, and a silver medal in the 84 Olympics.
Are you still competing?
Yeah, I just had a baby. My baby is 8 months old, excuse me.
And what has this done to your times in the 800 meters?
I have not competed yet. I compete in about 2 weeks, so I'll know. But Barcelona I really see gold in Barcelona this time.
Gold, all right. Good luck. Now, good luck also in today's game. You've got one strike against you.
I know.
That's what that X means, and
it,
you can't afford to lose another game.
This is
so let's go to work in game one. And what is all this about, pray tell, Gene?
Do you need to be revived? Then sit back and enjoy the tropical evenings and balmy breezes of beautiful Bermuda. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Bermuda. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding a while in flight. Experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend a week at the Elbow Beach Hotel. Enjoy the sparkling aquamarine ocean and endless pink sand beach. Superb dining, dancing, and entertainment furnished by the Elbow Beach Hotel. Alex.
A great vacation. We'll show you where you can find it on the board. Lower right-hand corner. That'll be very easy to remember at position number 25. We haven't had anybody win our cash pot in a while, and it is now up to $1,100.
You can still use it.
Kim, go to work.
Okay, let's open up the other corner at number 5.
Brass carriage clock.
And let's try number 11.
Crystal giftware. No match, obviously, so we'll go over to Keith.
Let's try the center board at number 13.
Cash pot.
Let's look for a wild card or a match number 17.
No, a home security system. 3 wild cards, of course, in this game, Kim.
Okay, let's see if we can find one on number 1.
Diamond and ruby pendant.
That'd be very pretty. Let's look behind number 24.
Sailboat. No match. Keith.
We've seen no natural matches yet. Let's go for number 9.
Bermuda.
And number 25.
Easy to remember that, isn't it?
Yes!
Bermuda. For Keith. Possibility. Open it up. Select again.
Let's look under number 18.
Brass carriage clock.
Now, we've seen that, but I do not even remember. Was it under number 11?
No.
No.
Kim remembers. She was smiling.
Number 5, I believe.
That's where it was.
Okay, number 18 for the match.
Yes. All right, Kim. How much do you weigh?
106.
No wonder you can run fast. I mean, oh, jeez.
I weighed 160 when I delivered my daughter.
160?
160.
Whoa, and you're now down to 160?
Uh-huh.
Wow, good for you.
Determination.
Yeah, let's
Like
open
this.
it up here. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 3.
Sailboat.
We saw that, I believe, under number 24.
Sailboat. Don't you love it when people in the studio audience start applauding your selection, because some of them remember the matches
Right.
also. It's a good omen for you. 2 doors swinging open for Kim Gallagher. Select again.
Let's look under number 21.
Green take.
I'd like to take that Bermuda trip.
I bet you would.
Let's look for a match or a wild card under number 10.
Red tape.
Take wrong
Right
color.
idea, wrong color. Keith?
Well, let's look under number 12
Green tape.
and number 21.
Green tape. That's a match.
Insurance.
I see. You've already made up your mind about that.
We
Let's
went-
open the two panels then.
Let's see what's under number 2.
Wild card.
All right. I want to see what's under number 15.
Diamond and ruby pendant, which we saw a little while ago on the other side of the board at position number 1. 3 doors opening up. After I ask you about this take.
Insurance. She took my
Insurance?
good prizes last time.
All righty. All right. 3 panels. Opening. Select.
Number 14.
Gourmet pasta.
And we haven't seen what's under number 8 yet.
Home security system. Kim, can you do anything with this?
Let's look under number 19.
Wild
All
card.
right, all right. I want to see what's under number 4.
That's the crystal giftware, and we know the other one, the natural match, is at position 11.
Okay.
So 3 doors are swinging open for you, Kim. You've got to win the game to stay alive. Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 22.
There's still a wild card up there. 16-piece cutlery set
Gosh,
is what we have
I
here.
have to guess this. I think Keith knows it.
Sorry.
Let's look for a natural match or a wild card under number 13.
Cash
Oh,
card.
gosh.
Didn't work. Keith?
Can I see what's under number 7?
Gourmet pasta.
Was that under number 10?
No.
Kim breathes again.
No. Number 8.
Home
Oh,
security
my
system.
goodness. Let's look for a natural match or a wild card under number 16. No. Oh, gosh, I'm dead.
Number 10
He says number 10.
and number 16?
He now has both takes.
Brass clock.
Brass clock. All right. That goes over on your side. Now, you don't have to solve the puzzle right here. You can make another match and take
Don't.
something else.
I don't know any more matches, Alex. So I have to guess it.
I see.
Is it pencil me in?
Is it? Pencil me in. Didn't even need
I
to have the
said
doors
it.
open.
Oh, sorry.
Pencil me in is right. He's won the game. Let's go to the board.
Sorry, Kim. Oh. Okay, I had a hard time with them. It's the pins and the hill, the me and the hin. I just kept saying pins, hill, me, hin, pins, hill, me, in, and it's pencil me in.
Pencil me in is absolutely right. And that's, unfortunately, 2 losses, 2 X's for Kim. You didn't get a chance to really get rolling in this game, but I know that in 1992 in Barcelona,
I'll do better there.
you're going to do better. We're going to be hearing a great deal about you, so good luck.
Okay, thanks.
Good luck,
Bye.
Kim.
Take care, Jen. So long. All right, Keith. You stand next to me now and look over here, and Gene will tell you about these prizes. Go, Gene.
A diamond ruby pendant, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a diamond ruby pendant or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a brass carriage clock. The Baldwin La Rochelle brass carriage clock features glass panels, exposed electronic movement, and white enamel dial with Roman numerals, furnished by Baldwin Piano and Organ Company, and of course the beautiful Bermuda.
Yeah!
And Keith, this is a prize package worth, pencil you rich, $4,601.
Thank you, Gene. Break time for us. When we come back, he'll have 40 seconds on the clock in which to win a brand new car. Glo is our champ, and he's won over $6,000 in prizes. And his wife, Leah, standing in the audience, ready to rush out here and give you a great big hug if you win a brand new car. You think you can do it?
I think I'm going to do it.
You came so very close last time, and you're going to have 5 seconds more this time around. Here are the 15 numbered squares and the clock with a full 40 seconds on it. Good luck, Keith. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 2,
Yes.
8, 4,
Yes.
10, 11.
No.
13. 5.
Yes.
14. 15.
No.
3. 15.
Yes.
6. 1.
No.
9. 14.
No.
12. 14.
Right.
11. 6.
Right.
9. 10.
Yes. Watch it, Leah. Tell him, Gene.
Keith, you just won this Mitsubishi Mirage 3-door hatchback. Features a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and power steering. Furnished by Mitsubishi, a prize worth over $8,900.
$15,219 total winnings for Keith. Leah, are you all right? I have never seen anyone move out of the audience that quickly. Did you hurt yourself on our step? You stubbed your toe. Well, you stubbed it in a good cause. Congratulations to the two of you. We'll take a break right now. We'll come back after this. Well, the champion leaves us a very happy man, and so is his wife, Lee. And so we welcome these newcomers. On my right, this is Laura McCulloch. And on my left, we have George Brown. And since we don't have all that much time, we're going to get right into this second game. I want to draw your attention to one of the beautiful prizes, a piece of jewelry.
Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, this exquisite diamond dinner ring, crafted in 14-karat gold. This ring sparkles with 13 brilliant diamonds furnished by Kay Jewelers.
Alan, beautiful ring. We'll show you where you can find it on the board. Right here at number 22, diamond ring. Also a holiday in San Francisco for the two of you. And George, you get to pick first.
Now, let's try number 8, please.
Number 8, good place to start. We have a word processor there.
And let's go to number 20.
Microwave. Am I picking up a New York accent there?
Yes, you are. Brooklyn, New York.
Brooklyn, New York. All righty. Welcome aboard. Laura, over to you.
Okay, let's try number 5, please.
Espresso and cappuccino machine.
Okay, and let's try the opposite corner, 21.
Word processor.
Ooh,
All
not
right.
good.
George, you get to go.
Let's try number 8.
Word
And-
processor.
And number 21.
Number 21 is the first match for you, and you did that naturally. We only have the one wild card in this game, so that's good news. Open it up. Select again.
Let's try number 13.
Lucky 13 in the middle for a dining room set.
And number 11.
San Francisco holiday. No match
That would
there.
be nice.
Why do you say that would be nice? Where are you from?
Well, I'm from, like, Covina.
Covina?
Any place is nice.
San Francisco's especially nice. You know that. Pick
Okay.
again.
Okay, let's try number 15, please.
Body massage.
Now, that'd be nice.
His name is Guido.
All right.
You'll love him. You think San
Sounds
Francisco's good?
good.
Wait till you meet Guido.
Aha. Is he from San Francisco?
No?
Okay, how about number 1?
Microwave.
Oh,
No match
gotta
there.
keep doing
George
that.
Brown.
Let's try number 20.
Microwave.
And number 1.
Number 1 is a match. The man from Brooklyn. Yes.
Originally from Brooklyn, Alex.
Where do you live now?
Vail, Colorado.
Oh,
I've been there for 15 years.
Are you a skier?
Not as much as I used to be.
No. Why is it that we think that as soon as somebody says I'm from Vail, that they automatically ski?
I probably ski as often as you surf.
Never, huh? Okay. Good point. Open it up for him. You're forgetting I'm old. Pick again, George.
Let's try number 5.
Espresso and cappuccino machine.
And number 23.
Is that where it is? No, that's an oak wine rack. Laura.
Okay, let's try number 17, please.
Dining room set.
And in the middle at 13?
You're right. That's where it is, and you're going to get a shot at
Didn't
the
give it to
prize. Didn't give it to him. Open it up. Pick again.
Okay, how about number 24?
Red take.
I don't think we saw that. How about 11?
San Francisco
Oh, we saw
holiday.
that, though.
We saw that, yes. George?
Let's look for a wild card under number 14.
14, hand-painted sculpture.
Let's try number 19.
Body massager. Laura,
Number 15?
body massager.
And number 19.
Guido's going up in your column.
All right.
Right there. You're married though, right?
Yeah.
Guido might upset your husband. Let's open it up. Go again.
Okay, let's try number 6, please.
Diamond ring.
Ooh, shoot. Was that under number 12? No, it
that's the
wasn't.
espresso and cappuccino machine. George, a bit of a
Let's-
break for you.
Let's try number 4.
San Francisco holiday.
And number 11.
Yes, he remembered. Laura was hoping you wouldn't, of course. But she remembered. 2 doors swinging open for George Brown. Pick again.
Let's take a look behind number 22
Diamond ring.
and number 6.
6 for the other diamond ring. Yes. And we haven't yet found the wild card.
The
you
wild-
guys
the
are-
wild
The
card.
wild card. And you guys are coming up with
Yes.
natural matches. Well done. Open it up. Select again.
Let's see what's behind number 10
Red take.
and number 2.
Sofa and love seat. Laura,
My mom needs that. Okay, let's look under number 14.
hand-painted sculpture.
Oh, that's where we saw that, too. Have we seen under number 24?
Red take. We have now. George,
Yep.
Let's see what's behind number 10
red take.
and number 24.
The other red take.
Guido?
Did you hear what she said? You want Guido, the body massager?
No, my
Leave
wife,
me the
my-
dining room. She doesn't want it.
my
She
wife
said
is a
so.
professional masseuse.
Aha.
She'll
So
have
I
a
don't-
Does she know Guido?
She might know Guido, but I don't think I'll take that. I think
No, keep it.
the dining room
Save
would be
it.
very nice.
The dining room set. Yes, that is a
I
nice
gave
prize.
him everything else.
Yeah. George, take a look at the puzzle now. See if you can solve it. Get to keep these prizes if you do. Pick again.
Let's see number 9.
Green take.
Let's try number 23.
Oak wine rack. Laura. Whoa! Startling sound, isn't it? Hands on your
Yes.
signaling
Yes, it
buttons.
is.
We're going to start revealing. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 12, 14, 16, 18, 23, 25. Study the puzzle carefully. Laura.
Football hero.
Football hero, looks like it to me. And Laura's going to get Guido. Let's go to the board. Come on.
Okay, let's see. We have the foot in the ball, football, and the key, and the row. I thought it was an aisle, but a row. Football hero.
Nicely done. All right, you're going to get a chance to play for a brand new car. And George, we're going to say goodbye, but just for a little while. As you know, you've got one strike against you only, and you'll get to play in the next game against this lady. But we'll take you off stage for the moment. And Laura, you want to hear all about Guido?
Oh, sure.
Guido does not exist, but this prize does.
Okay.
A body massager. Wellness Innovations brings you the pleasure of massage in the privacy of your own home with Thumper, a steady, comfortable, pulsed acupressure that sends vibrations deep into your body, furnished by Wellness Innovations.
Vibrations deep into your body. Doesn't
Yeah,
that
I
sound
heard
great?
that.
Doesn't that feel good?
I didn't think
See,
my
George
husband
knows
liked
all
that.
about that because his wife is a masseuse. I'll have to ask him if she gives him massages. And we'll have the bonus round with this lady in the winner's circle when we come back. Laura was just inquiring about whether any contestant has ever fainted in the winner's circle. She says, I don't plan to. But I wonder, has anyone ever done that? No. They might if they win big. And you could win big right now. 15 numbered squares coming up here for you. And base time on your clock, 35 seconds. Laura, good luck. Off you go.
Okay. 1, 3,
Nope.
4, 6,
No again.
7, 9,
No.
10, 6,
No.
3, 10.
You said 6 first.
3, 10,
That's right.
12, 13,
Nope.
15, 2,
Nope.
7, 2,
There you go.
5, 15,
Hey, look at that.
8, 13?
No.
11? Oh, well.
It's difficult.
Practice.
Yeah, that's the way you have to look at it. Because at some point, and I don't know when that occurs, it varies with different contestants, you realize you aren't going to make it.
Yeah,
so
I
at that
realize.
point, you should concentrate a little harder and try to come up with just a few matches, you know, so that you show yourself, hey, I can do it. Next time, I'm going to do it and win a car. But meanwhile, you've got yourself a body massager,
Hey,
not named Guido.
can't complain.
And we're going to take a break. Gene, talk to us, please.
Some of today's participants may receive Conair's latest innovations, hot sticks, fashion plates, and Thermacell cordless iron and brush. True Reflections mirror, Geometrics Pro Style 1500 dryer, furnished by Conair. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
We'll be back to play tomorrow, but I want to ask George, you said your wife was a masseuse. Does she ever work on you?
Occasionally I'll take advantage of it, but normally if I want to feel better, I'll have another drink.
I see. Okay, interesting point of view. We'll see these players back here tomorrow. Join us then.
Due to a production problem, the car game was replaced. This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.